Doctors and nurses are required to do ongoing continuing education in their fields. Do judges have to do it as well?
Unfortunately, or fortunately,
Fortunately.
let's say, for the average person out there who has to subject themselves to the whims of a judge.
Yes.
Yes, they have to do continuing judicial education, CJE we call it in Florida. And it means you have to go and keep up on changes in the law, exchange viewpoints with your colleagues at conferences and in discussions, and hopefully keep up with the constant changes that are taking place.
Right. So you end up traveling to a judicial conference somewhere, meeting judges from other parts of the state.
Yeah, they combine it with a little junket.
Combine a little golf, a little this, a little that. And yeah. Yeah, no, they actually really were educational. I used to always feel very energized when we came back.
Terrific.
They're very good. In fact, I taught at them for a while.
You have taught
towards
them.
the end at New Judges College.
Right. I remember when I was going to go to my first one, you spoke to the godfather of one of our daughters, who's a judge also, about going there. What did he say?
He had when he first became a judge. I had been a judge for a while. He became a judge. And then we went to a piano bar during one of these conferences, and everybody's singing at the piano bar, and I'm like,
wonderful time.
Bob, why won't you sing?
Right.
And he said, no. Why? Because if you sing, you get thirsty. If you get thirsty, you drink. If you drink, you're unfaithful, and I don't want to be unfaithful. I'm like, dude, you just went from 0 to 100 really fast. You'd have to find somebody willing to take you home, all right? So I don't know what you're talking about. You should be singing with us. It was this big running joke for years until you became a judge.
Yeah,
and you went on your first judicial conference.
I think it was in Orlando, right?
That's right. And then I called Bob, and I said, Bob, remember all that stuff I said a few years ago? Forget all of that. John doesn't get to sing. You know?
Don't let him go to the piano bar.
Don't let him go to the piano bar. Don't let him sing.
You have nothing to worry about, Marilyn.